So for our review today, we're going to review Taco Bell's new Triplelupa. There's 3 chalupas in here. Let's check it out. Oh, they look small. Wow, smaller than I thought. Maybe I should have got something else instead. Maybe some nacho fries. I think this one is the cheesy chipotle, so I'm going to pull this one out. It comes out. So yeah, these are small. Wow. I mean, they're only $3.49, but they're pretty small. Try it out. So far, it's really good. Just, it's a little messy. I mean, it's starting to like fall out and stuff as I eat it. Whoa. And the meat and cheese are just like falling out of here. So be careful if you eat this in the car. That's pretty good. I was thinking with that one, maybe I could have added some more like mild sauce to make it more of a flavor. It didn't have much of a flavor, but it was pretty good. So today when I went to Taco Bell, the parking lot was empty. I didn't even think, I thought the Taco Bell was closed. So when I went in there today, the cashier was wearing gloves and they had no sauces outside in the lobby. I saw them inside and they asked me if I wanted some sauce. And there was no straws, no lids. So I had to ask for a lid for my drink and a straw. So I don't know if it's because of the coronavirus, but it was interesting how everything was like inside. Everybody in there was wearing gloves. So now we're gonna try the cheesy chipotle. It's a little spicy, more flavor than the first one, but it's spicy. Really good. I didn't realize how small these are. These are so small. A little spicy, a little kick, not too much, but that added some flavor. So this one I think must be the chipotle one. So this might be more spicy, but let's try it. Just try it out. That's good. Not really that much spicy. I do feel like I want something else. I'm almost done with this. They're really small. So I say if you get this, get something else. All right, guys, that was really good. I don't think it was anything special or like raving. Like when the cheese fries came out, that was something special, and I really liked it a lot. This one was just it was good, but nothing really special about it. I didn't think. It is a limited time, guys. If you really want to try it, get it now. But yeah, I would give that 4 out of 5. I wish they were a little bit bigger, and there's nothing really new or special about that. But it was good, and if you like mild to medium spicy, even the last one wasn't that spicy. So if you don't like a lot of spice, I think this will be a good choice. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Stay safe and healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.